Hello friends, my name is Raj and you are watching my Prayas YouTube channel. And yesterday I had gone in a marriage party. There I was very hungry, so I ate a lot of food. I ate matar paneer, सूखी sabji, puri, salad, gajar ka halwa and gulab jamun. I ate a lot of food and I was totally stuffed. After that I came at home and I slept. And now it is 8 a.m. It is a morning and morning is very beautiful, but the wind is very cold. Wind is as cold as ice. So I will show you the morning and after that we will talk. So friends, there you can see the trees that are planted in my plot, and and it is sagon trees. And there you can see my son. His name is Aditya, and this is my home. These are few plants that we have planted in the pot, you can see. And uh, there is a room for the extra things, like for the extra things that are not used. And morning is very beautiful. I am showing you the sun has risen and everything is good, everything is fine. And there you can see a mango plant. And there is a boar on mango plant. I don't know the English of boar. And there is a colony. So morning is good, but the wind is blowing and wind is very cold. Wind is as cold as ice. What are you doing, Aditya? What are you doing? तोड़ना नहीं बाबू, है तोड़ना नहीं. So friends, you can see there is a little tomatoes here in the plant, you can see. And this is my son. And there is nothing to show you. And there is a I'm showing you, there is a plant which has flowers, and this is genda plant.
Papa छोटा है.
So friends, this is my colony where I live in Gonda. And this is the new colony that is being developed. So friends, you can see that my wife has made some potatoes papad. And when the Holi will come, we will eat. We will fry it in the oil and we will eat, and we will also serve to the guest. So these are the papad. So friends, I am very happy because I have made a English speaking WhatsApp group, and there are many members. And today I talked to Rajesh ji, and we talked in English for around 15 minutes. He works in a BPO. BPO means call center. And we talked in English language, and we both got benefit. We both got benefit from that call. So it is a very good thing, very good news. And I have given the link of WhatsApp group in the video. You can also join, and you can also talk to me in English language. And when you will talk to me, you and me both will get benefit from it. So friends, you should join the English speaking WhatsApp group. That is totally free. There is no cost for that, and you can talk to me. So now I end this vlog. And I hope you all will be very good, very nice. Thank you.